Always tracking, always alerting. This is Storm Team 8.
It is going to be a mild night. Temperatures tonight are only going to be able to sink down into the low 70s. And today was our 16th day that we've hit 90s so far this summer season. So it's been a warm one. We have more 90s in your 8-day forecast, but we do get a little bit of a cool down to kind of break from the heat before that heat rebuilds. All right, let's take a look at what to expect, your big weather headlines as we go through the next few days here. Showers tonight and early tomorrow, but once we get to tomorrow afternoon, we're going to see this transition. And really pleasant weather is going to move in for Friday evening, and that's going to hold all the way through until Tuesday. Next chance of showers after that doesn't happen until Wednesday. That is when we start to see that heat rebuild again. So hot again late next week. Keep that in mind if you don't have air conditioning. Here's a look at Storm Track Live. We've been watching this batch of showers and storms. This has been pushing steadily towards us, but notice what's been happening. It's been kind of falling apart just a bit, and we've been watching that happen all night. The core of these storms kind of passing off towards Chicago, south side of Chicago. Still, if we stop these for you here, you will notice that we'll probably beginning to see at least some thicker cloud cover, if not a sprinkle or two, in about 3 hours or so in places like Muskegon. Same goes for places like Grand Haven and Holland. So once we get to about 2 a.m., we'll start to see at least the chance for a light shower, but I really don't think that we're going to see too much out of this line. What we are going to see is that transition to much more comfortable conditions. So the reason why we have these showers and storms is because a cold front's rolling towards us. And the only thing a cold front is it's the leading edge of colder air. So we've got colder air behind this line right here, and that's going to continue to pour on towards us. So right now our winds are out of the south. It's helping to drag up some of that warmer air. But look behind that cold front. We've got 60s in comparison. So that's that cooler, drier Canadian air that's going to start to take over tomorrow. Still, I do think that we should hit 85 tomorrow. It's not until we get into the evening that we really start to see those showers shut on down, kick on off to the east, and that drier air really push on in. So tomorrow, your Futurecast shows that we have a lingering chance for a shower as late as about 11 a.m. And then once we get to the afternoon, we start to see that drier air really take hold. It will get breezy too. So one thing that I am a little concerned about looking at this is rip current risk as we get into this really pleasant weekend. When we see those brisk northwest winds, sometimes we start to see that rip current risk uptick, even though our water temperatures are kind of warm at this time. Saturday, Sunday looking fantastic. That continues on through Monday. Doesn't start to get sticky and uncomfortable again until we get to Tuesday and Wednesday. So we got some time here to enjoy West Michigan.
Yeah.
Not bad at all.
Yeah,
Thanks,
good looking
Ellen.
weekend. Thank you, Ellen.